Baddewo okwekalakaasa wakati w'abayizi ba Kirembe Senior Secondary School nga kino kiviiridde ku basomesa n'akulira essomero okumala ebbanga ddene nga tebalabikako ku ssomero. Abayizi balumbye RDC era abasomesa bwe bakunyiziddwa ennyo bategeezezza nga bwe batajja kusomesa nga tebasasulwa.
Abayizi ba Kirembe Senior Secondary School e Kasese mu bugwanjuba bw'eggwanga erisangibwa mu Bulembia Division balumbye yafeesi ya RDC okwemulugunya ku basomesa abatabaawo. Abayizi bagamba nti bukya batandika kusoma omukulu w'essomero omukyala talabikangako n'abasomesa baabwe okwo.
We have been at the school but we have many challenges which are caused by the headmistress. One, she's not always in school. Ever since the year started, she has never been there. Even other teachers are complaining that they're not paying them fees, they're not paying them like the allowances, their salaries, even the non-staff members. So for us, we are being affected in a way that we are not having lessons.
Bwe babuuzizza ennyo abasomesa ne babategeeza nti bwe balisasulwa baliddamu okukola naye bakooye okukolera ebitole by'emmere.
Yet we have paid full fees. So that is the main challenge why we are here. So we have come to request the RDC to make for us a change because that lady, when she remains there, we don't think that we have a future there. And the time we have, we as senior 5s and senior 3s, most of us, we are being affected because we have little time, yet the work that we are supposed to cover is a lot.
Teachers are no longer coming to us to attend us for practicals. They say they are demanding the school. Yet we have paid the fees.
RDC Lieutenant Joe Walusimbi asabye abayizi basigale nga bakkakkamu balowooze ku biseera byabwe eby'omu maaso ne yeegatibwako Town Clerk Tumwesigye Isaya.
We are going to have a meeting with the management of the school tomorrow morning, and we shall have to listen to them vis-a-vis the issues you have raised. I see some of you shaking the hands. I don't know whether you thought it is automatic and you force that this must happen. No, we have to listen to both sides and we get a better way of sorting out the issues. Then, in the management of a school, we realize that actually we have other bodies that would have listened to this even before it came to the RDC.
Sons and daughters, I'm humbly requesting you to be calm. If you shake your head, shauri yako. We want you to be calm. I think you have agreed with your leaders. Yes? You have agreed. I think you selected these leaders on your behalf, isn't it? Okay, now you get what we are communicating to you. If you say no, if you say yes, this is what you have as managers. Yeah, give us some few days. We talk to those people and then we get back to you. You have agreed with your leaders that we are going to get back to them.
Adumira Police mu Rwenzori East ASP Tumusime Nelson akakasizza akajagalalo kano n'akakasa nti abakuumaddembe weebali ayongeddeko nti batadde n'abasirikale ku ssomero okuziyiza ekyandibalukawo.
As our mandate, we prevent or we protect life and property. We were compelled to go and deploy to ensure that property is not destroyed and there is no loss of life in case such a demonstrations continue. But we hope that if tomorrow we again engage the stakeholders, for example the body members of the school, we may come up with a permanent solution and we shall withdraw our forces.
Byetumusime Gerard, Sorot TV, Omunyo.